In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix images not downloading on WhatsApp Web. If you've ever faced this issue, you'll know how frustrating it can be, especially when you're trying to save an important image or document. Fortunately, there are a few simple steps you can take to resolve this problem. Let's go through them together. First, let's make sure your internet connection is stable. An unstable connection is one of the most common causes of images not downloading on WhatsApp Web. A quick way to test your connection is by opening another website. For instance, you can navigate to a site like your favorite news homepage or a search engine. Observe whether the page loads quickly and without any issues. If other websites are also struggling to open, there might be an issue with your internet connection itself, and you might need to address that before troubleshooting WhatsApp Web any further. You could try restarting your router or reaching out to your internet provider for support. Assuming your internet connection is working just fine, the next step is to refresh your WhatsApp web page. Refreshing can solve minor glitches or temporary issues that could be affecting the downloading process. To do this, simply click on the refresh button in your browser or press the F5 key on your keyboard if you're using a Windows PC. For Mac users, the refresh shortcut is Command+R. Once the page reloads, try downloading the image again. You might even want to close the tab and reopen WhatsApp Web from scratch, which sometimes gives the browser a clean slate to work from. Occasionally, browser settings or extensions can interfere with image downloads. While we aren't diving into these settings here, a quick check can often solve the problem. Make sure you're using an up-to-date version of your web browser. Outdated versions might not support WhatsApp Web fully, causing issues with downloads. Chrome users can update by going to Help and selecting About Google Chrome to trigger any pending updates. Finally, if you're still having trouble, double-check that your browser or device settings allow file downloads from WhatsApp. Although you typically won't need to change anything in your settings for WhatsApp Web, rare configurations or content blockers might prevent downloading. By following these steps, you should be well equipped to solve the issue of images not downloading on WhatsApp Web. Remember, when in doubt, check your internet connection first and then proceed with refreshing or updating your browser. With a bit of patience, you'll have this sorted in no time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more.